In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can find Bitcoin wallet address on Binance. You can do the same steps on PC or phone or whatever device you're using. First you want to log into your Binance so that I can show you guys how you can find Bitcoin wallet address. Then you want to click on wallet in the top right, and you want to click on fiat and spot. So next thing you want to do, guys, you need to scroll down and then scroll down again, and here where it says here search coin, you want to search for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin, as you can see. So next to that, in the action section, you want to click on deposit. If you click on deposit, you want to click on select network, which is Bitcoin, and this is your wallet address. So after you send someone your wallet address, make sure you tell them the network is Bitcoin. This is very important, okay? Click here, then send this to your friends or whatever so that they can send you Bitcoin. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.